Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is MyLifeAsLoveline. I hope you guys are doing good. Today we're going to be making pepper sauce. It's a very simple recipe. Let's dive into it immediately. I have some ingredients displayed here. We're going to be needing pepper. I always choose to use the red pepper because of its color. It gets to brighten the pepper sauce at the end. And don't forget to plug this part off before use. So we have 1 red onion, 2 healthy tomatoes, 1 fresh carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, some maggi cube, salt to taste, and 1 stick of green onion. We cannot also forget our vegetable oil. The next step is to wash your peppers, tomatoes, onion, carrots and spring onion and chop. So guys, so we have our ingredients all washed and prepared. So we're going to combine everything together and blend in a blender. You don't really need much water because the tomatoes will serve as your water base. At first you may face some resistance while blending. Use a spoon to gently push in on the content of your blender. This consistency is just perfect. So the next thing is to transfer the content of your blender into a pan. Add your maggi, salt to taste and boil. I did use half of this. And a little bit of salt to taste. So cover this up and let it boil until the water is dry. See you later. So it's getting dry. So guys, our pepper is dry enough. So we're going to add our vegetable oil. Just about 100 ml. Let this fry again for 10 to 15 minutes and then your pepper sauce is ready. So this is our end product, guys. Of course you can see that the oil has separated itself from the pepper. So this is your pepper sauce. You pull this down and store in the freezer for as long as possible. You can also store it in the fridge inside a bowl like this with a lid.